Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. And yeah, I know this hair is a hot mess, but we're about to get it together using some old hair. Yes, you see this hair? This was a U-part wig that I used back in March 2023. And I'm about to reuse this for some easy heatless curls in under 10 minutes. Yes, but you know what? Before we get into that, yes, before we get started, I just know you're going to like and subscribe, right? Okay, so anyway, moving back to this, we're going to use this Outre U-part cap leave out wig. It's in the style Afro curls, it's 16 inches, and I'm going to use a crochet hook. Now, with this crochet hook, I am going to have my own scalp as a part. I have never done this before, but we're going to try. So for details on this particular U-part wig, you can take a look at that old video. I'm not really going to get into the specs. I'm just going to let you watch what I do in this vlog style tutorial, play a little music, and I'm doing everything at regular speed, so nothing at all sped up, so you can see what I created this morning. Now, just so you know, I have never done this in this particular way before. I just thought about this more. I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna use a crochet hook, my fingers, and I'm going to do a middle part, and I am going to hide these tracks. So you see me snapping in everything. This is super easy. And also, just so you know, I believe I have this particular U-part wig in my Amazon storefront if you want to check it out. It's super easy. But I wanted to show you guys how to create some easy heatless curls. I'm not doing anything to my hair in under 10 minutes. And like I said, this is with regular time. So go ahead and enjoy, and I will talk to you later, Roses.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Don't let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let them catch me. No, I never let them claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's get this flick, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Don't let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. We can let them stare at it. Now Same way you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Gon' be whole, though I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bane making plays till we crashing, yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Dripping wetter from head to toe, lil' baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas, no way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas, stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We leave the past in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget, let's remind them. Be my ride. All gas, no way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas, stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chillin', day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Baby, so can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry.
Okay, Roses, so see, I just wanted you guys to see what I can create just by making up something real quick and just going for it. So this is what I created. This is lightweight. This is not itchy. The hair's out of my face, but I still have a fro. I got some volume, and most importantly, I have heatless curls. So tell me what you think. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll talk to you later, Roses. Bye.